Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 freezing or not responding. If your system is completely frozen and nothing works, the first step is to force shut it down. Press and hold the power button for around 10 to 20 seconds until the screen turns off and you no longer hear any fans or see lights. Once the system is fully off, wait about 10 seconds. Then press the power button again to turn it back on. This helps clear temporary issues. After restarting, we will repair system files. Open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Now type SFC /scano and press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish. This will find and fix corrupted system files. Next, we will repair the Windows image. In the same command prompt, type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health and press Enter. This process may take a few minutes, but it can fix deeper system problems. Finally, make sure your system is fully updated. Open Settings, go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Install everything available. Thanks for watching.